In this video, I will show you how to add multiple currencies on WooCommerce. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to your WooCommerce website where your store is already set up. Now, from the left menu, scroll down and click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type multi-currency for WooCommerce and you will see several plugins appear. Choose a well-rated option like the one with good reviews and active installations. Then click on Install Now and after a few seconds click Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you will find its settings in your dashboard. Open it and enable the multi-currency option. After that, set your default currency, which is usually USD, and then start adding additional currencies using the Add Currency option. You can add as many currencies as you want, such as EUR, GBP, or any other supported currency, and configure them according to your store needs. Once done, your WooCommerce store will automatically allow customers to switch between different currencies while shopping. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.